Alright, so we're doing some more fun stuff today. You can see that we have actually got a pen plotter running. This is on our Hydra. While it's plotting, I will show you a couple of our newer features. One is we've been using a newer improved control panel that has a touchpad that we really like built in, a jog wheel for adjusting the fine calibration of the Z-axis with the tool setter, which is right here. And then we also started using a little laser power meter, which we like. And then on this particular Hydra, this is what we call the Hydra 17A. This particular machine, we might open it up for sale. So we're thinking about it. It's one of my favorites. Comes with a smaller tablet, same processor inside, just a little smaller because the footprint of the machine needs it that way. And voila, there you go. Also, we're going to show off a few of our new heads. You can see that the Laser 450 and the Laser 808. Also the new SDS head. You'll notice that it has a new ergonomic design to it. And this design allows us to just click in the syringes, which if I can find one laying here. I don't know if that's a 5 or a 10. Oh, it looks like it's a 5. There. You can see it just clicks right in and out. So it makes it no need to cut the ears anymore. Just clicks right in, and that's your load. Alright, have a great day.